A masked man that investigators say declared martial law before walking out of a local Walmart with stolen merchandise will stay behind bars until his trial. I'm Stephanie Rodriguez at the Orange County Courthouse. I was here in the courtroom when a judge denied bail for Jason Beal. The prosecution says he's a threat to the community, but his attorneys say this is just a case of shoplifting that ended with their client getting shot.
I understand there's discussions of him claiming martial law, but again, there was never any direct threats.
48-year-old Jason Beal's public defender arguing he isn't a danger to anyone because he wasn't actively threatening people inside the Walmart on East Colonial when deputies say he stole from the store. Investigators say a masked Beal left the Walmart with a cart full of stolen merchandise last month. They say Beal had a knife and mentioned having a gun and declared martial law. Deputies used a taser on him after they say he didn't respond to repeated commands to stop. 2 knives were recovered. Beal is charged with robbery with a deadly weapon and resisting an officer with violence. The state requested no bond, citing his criminal history, which includes burglary, arson, and sexual battery.
That no conditions of release or bail will reasonably protect the community from the risk of physical harm or ensure the presence of the defendant at trial.
Beal's attorney is saying it was the loss prevention officer alleging Beal had a gun that escalated things.
And that misbelief ultimately led the police to handle this case differently, which led to my client being shot in this situation, Your Honor.
The judge ultimately denying bail.
He was armed with multiple weapons and displaying that behavior that was significant enough to concern law enforcement that he was not simply just robbing the store, but that he may in fact be a mass shooter. Obviously, he was not.
As for the shooting, the Florida Department of Law Enforcement is investigating it, and the Orange County Sheriff's Office will do its own investigation once that one is finished. Reporting in Orange County, Stephanie Rodriguez, News 6.